Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Android Studio and a Google account, so start now by creating a new Android app and confirming the application ID. Once done, open the Firebase console and add a project, giving it a clear name. Make sure to register your Android app package name exactly as in Gradle. Then download the Google services. JSON file when prompted. You will add this to your app module immediately to link configuration settings. You will now modify Gradle to activate Firebase, put Google services, JSON into the app folder, then open project level build. Gradle and add the Google services class path. Next, in module level build, Gradle apply the Google GMS, Google services plugin at the bottom. Once that's in place, import the Firebase bill of materials and add specific libraries like Auth or Firestore so versions stay compatible. Sync the project and confirm there are no dependency conflicts by resolving Gradle sync errors. You should initialize Firebase in your application or main activity using Firebase app. Initialize app this, and then use the SDK APIs. Create a test document in Firestore or sign in a test user to verify connectivity. Once you see successful responses, make sure to enable necessary Firebase services in the console and set proper rules for testing. If something breaks, first confirm the package name and SHA1 match the console. And that Google services. JSON is in the app folder. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.